Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to share with you the ultimate health hack that you've been missing out on. Get ready to discover the amazing benefits of lentils and why they should be a staple in your diet. Before we dive into the incredible world of lentils, let's take a moment to understand what they are and the potential health benefits they offer. Lentils are a type of legume that are packed with nutrients and have been consumed for centuries due to their numerous health advantages. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle with common health issues such as high cholesterol, digestive problems, and weight management. This is where lentils come to the rescue. These tiny legumes are a powerhouse of nutrition and can help address these issues in a natural and effective way. Let's explore the nutritional value of lentils in more detail. Not only are lentils a great source of plant-based protein, but they are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This nutrient-dense food can help you feel full longer, regulate blood sugar levels, and support a healthy digestive system. Now, let me share with you a specific study that highlights the transformative power of including lentils in your diet. Research has shown that incorporating lentils into your meals can lead to lower cholesterol levels, improved heart health, and even weight loss. It's truly amazing how such a simple food can have such profound effects on our well-being. To sum it up, lentils are a must-have in your daily meals for their incredible health benefits. From promoting heart health to aiding in weight management, these little legumes pack a big punch when it comes to improving your overall well-being. So, next time you're meal prepping, make sure to include some lentils in your recipes. I encourage you to try incorporating lentils into your diet and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Share your thoughts and experiences with lentils in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.